So Lauren is a little bit big to be dunking her in the water just because she's 6 and taller. But if we were to practice dunking, we would go in a spot that they can't touch the water, because otherwise they're going to just put their legs right flat down. She's going to kind of go into a ball for me, just as an example. There you go. When you dunk, it's probably more important to not dunk them straight down, especially if they don't know how to hum, because they'll get water up their nose, and then that's awful, and then you've just created a negative water experience for them. So instead, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna dunk, but I'm gonna swoop her underneath. You can call this an ice cream scoop. You can be like, hey, we're gonna make some ice cream. What's your favorite kind of ice cream?
Chocolate chip.
Mint chocolate chip. So she likes mint chocolate chip ice cream. So I can say, we're gonna make an ice cream scoop of mint chocolate chip, but I'm gonna need your help. We're gonna have to scoop you under the water to get that ice cream. We're gonna go scoop towards hum. I would encourage humming. If they don't hum, it is okay. We're just practicing getting their face in the water. So I'll do that again, nice and slow. Ready? Ready? Hum. Scoop her towards me. Good. All right. If they don't love the dunking experience, then just do it once. You don't have to do it again, but we can say, oh, you've done that ice cream scoop. We just made a chocolate chip or a mint chocolate chip ice cream. But if they don't love that dunking experience, one time is good. If they do like it, then you can say, oh, let's do it again, and maybe up to 3 times you can dunk them. But again, we want to have positive water exposure, so we're just trying to create good experiences, and they do have to learn to get their face in the water, and sometimes they won't choose to do that by themselves, and that's where you come in. So one time, unless they like it, and then you can do it multiple times, but probably no more than 3 times when you first introduce the skill.